Magluto tayo ng udon chicken shrimp noodles. We're going to boil them. Shrimp skin, and then add 2 tablespoons of oil to stir fry the sausage, chicken, and shrimp. Then add 1 tablespoon in boiled water. Now stir fry the sausage, both sides turn brown. So the sausage is done, so set aside the clean plate. Now we have to stir fry the chicken, both sides turn brown. We have to add the udon. Leave that 1 to 2 minutes to make sure the udon, when they're separated each other, then you have to strain it. And now the chicken is done. So now we need to stir fry the shrimp. Half cook. It's not enough the oil, so you have to add oil. Okay, so the shrimp is done. Now we have to 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1/2 of onion. So when the garlic and the onion is ready, you have to add the sausage, chicken, and shrimp. And you add the shrimp fruit, which I boiled. Add vegetables as red pepper, carrot, snoopies, and onions. Add the udon noodles and stir it. And 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I love my noodle udon is sweet. And 1 tablespoon of chicken or shrimp powder. Then 2 tablespoons of black pepper. And 3 tablespoons of sugar. I love my noodle udon is sweet. And 1 tablespoon of chicken or shrimp powder. If you think it's lack the taste, then you can add soy sauce or a little bit of salt. And then the last is you have to add onion chips, or they call scallion or green onions or onion leaves. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can update my video. Thank you very much. God bless and see you my next video.